Hello, today we will guide you regarding the packaging steps of a bulky item with the example of an air conditioner. We recommend the sellers to use brown sheets, cardboard sides, and shrink wrap to properly pack such items. All of this packaging material is available on daraz.pk. Begin by cutting out the amount of brown sheet we need for the base of the outdoor unit of an AC. Place the cardboard sides on all the corners of the base and then secure the base with the brown sheet. Secure the top corners as well with the cardboard sides. Put the invoice and returns form and then place the indoor unit of the AC above it. Now secure the top corners of the indoor unit with the cardboard sides and then wrap the product with brown sheet and completely secure it. Label the front of the product accurately. Stick the fragile sticker and shipping label on the brown sheet. Now use shrink wrap over the brown sheet to secure the item further, leaving no chance for any kind of damage. Lastly, use the strings and properly tie it down as shown here. Please remember to follow the packaging steps accurately in order to avoid returns from customers on the basis of packaging opened, tempered, and/or damaged. Thank you.